Hey guys, so I got these BST AXN Krangs here. I got this one like a month ago and this one like a week ago, and I've been really anxiously waiting to open them up. So I'm going to start with this guy. This one's huge. He weighs a few pounds, maybe 5, I don't know. But I'm going to start with this small guy, and I've got some stuff to compare them to. I've got the Playmates one here. I've got one that I made, 2 that I made, plus some turtles. The artwork is cool. I like that picture on the side there. A powerful warlord from Dimension X, Krang led brutal campaigns with his legions of rock soldiers. After a bizarre incident stripped him of his reptilian body and reduced him to a brain-like form, he was exiled to Earth. Krang allied with the Shredder, who built him an android body in exchange for technology that would assist him in conquering the world. That's a story. Let's check him out. He comes with this awesome looking walker. It's all silver, which is dope. I might customize this guy a little bit. So let's see. I guess arms can go in here, and take these arms off, and he goes in his walker here. That's pretty dope. When I saw him, I wanted him. I waited a little while after he came out, but then I eventually had to grab him because he's really dope. He's a really good Krang figure. Here I have the Playmates original Krang figure, both from the 87 series, but this one, or the BST AXN one, looks a lot more like actual Krang. This one, the walker, looks more like Krang. Or is it silver in the cartoon? I haven't seen it recently. I'll have to check that out and put some pictures in. That's dope, but really I want... And he's got this little tiny walker he can just rest on. That's the first one I made. He's making kind of a goofy face, because I got the walker in a lot of used TMNT toys, so I painted that up, and then I made this guy. Then I made a more mean version, and his arms move to, he's smaller so he fits better on the walker. Okay, enough distractions. This giant Krang XL BST AXN. So we have this huge robot body. Got some definite weight on him, and then I guess he opens up to put Krang inside, but I wanted to do them both because I thought on his own this wouldn't be a great video, but I can see if this Krang fits into the body, because then you have 2 different heads. But this head looks a little bigger, but that might just be because his mouth's open, so it's taking up more space. It's got different arm sculpts, is it? Maybe slightly different. He just comes with the one pair of arms, and then he's got arms that are inside holding the joysticks, and then these different hands, fist hands. He's got open hands on him, and then his robot tool hands, spinny axe, and is that like a gun hand, a drill hand, a sword hand, another gun hand tool, and another fist hand, and another sticker. So yeah, this guy is dope. Let's see. His arm goes up and down. Well, up to the shoulder pad, because the shoulder pad's connected to the chest, to the shoulders. Then you have a biceps swivel. It's a little tight, but bicep swivel. You have an elbow. It's like a double elbow. Yeah, double elbow. But when you use the double elbow, that looks a little weird, but I don't know, he's a robot, so it's okay if he looks like mechanical parts, I guess. His head looks, looks like the Krang I remember from when I was a kid. It only comes with one head, but that's alright. So I don't think, like, Krang would move his mouth, but this guy's mouth didn't move, right? Let's see, how does it open? Oh, there, it just pops open, easy. But then it won't stand up when it's open. Let's try this head in here first, because it's already got no hands. Oh, there's a little base for it to kind of clip onto. So this head, maybe it could, but no, it doesn't clip onto the base. That's a little sad, but I feel like it should. Well, let's try this one. because it does have like a hole or a circle in there so that it can fit into something. Well, I guess it would fit into this. That's a little smaller than the circle for, or the peg here. Can put this head in there. It fits, but it doesn't fit snug enough that it's not gonna be moving around. These hands look like worms. Okay, yeah, that fits perfect on the peg and locks in place. Awesome. And it's got a little clip in the belt area there. That's dope. A little stiff. So Krang Android, regular Krang, and that's next to a regular Donatello by Best Action. He's a lighter color. I recently made hats and pants for these guys. They're the street style Best Action that I recently got, and so yeah, he scales pretty good with them. A little less than 2, but still, it's perfect size. You don't want any bigger than that. He's 8 inches. Looks dope. Super happy to have this guy. I don't have like the NECA one, or who else has done one? I don't know, but I'm super happy about this guy. They're both super dope. I might customize this one. And got, I think, Venus happening this week. If you've been paying attention recently, I have a raffle that's going to happen. I have new merch coming out, and I'm going to give a bunch away. If you're a subscriber and you leave a comment with the word Sisyphus, you'll be entered to win, and you can enter every video or every new video that comes out until I do the raffle, which maybe in a month or so, maybe 5 weeks. We'll see when I have the shirts and stuff ready and have my own to show you. So until then, well, until Saturday, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.